How to fix Instagram invalid parameter error. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram invalid parameter error. If you are encountering an invalid parameter error on Instagram, it means there is a problem with the data or parameters being sent to Instagram servers. Here are some steps you can take to fix this issue. Sometimes, simply logging out and logging back in can help you fix this problem. For that, open your Instagram application on your mobile device, and once you are logged into your account, now in this page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Once you do so, now you will reach to this page. Here at the top right, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those lines and you will access this page. Here scroll all the way down and tap on Log Out. Once you tap on this logout option, a dialog box will appear asking you to confirm it. You can tap on Log Out. Once you are successfully logged out, log in back again using your credentials and check if the issue still persists. If this doesn't fix your issue, then you may need to clear the cache and data. For that, go to your device settings. And once you access this page, you scroll down and find Applications and Permissions. These steps may be different in other mobile devices depending on their model. Now once you find this Applications option, tap on it to open it. Here in this new page, tap on App Manager. Once you do so, now you will be taken to a new page. Here once it loads, you will find all the applications that has been installed in this device. Here scroll down and find Instagram. Once you have found the Instagram, tap on it to open it. And once it opens, tap on this internal storage. There you will find Clear Data and Clear Cache option. Tap on this Clear Cache and your cache will be cleared. After doing that, tap on Clear Data and tap on this OK button and it will clear your data. Now you will have to log back in to your account to access your account. After doing that, open your Instagram application and check if the issue still persists. If you are facing the issue again, ensure that you have the stable and active internet connection. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue still persists. Also ensure that you have the latest version of Instagram application installed in your device. If possible, try accessing Instagram from a different device or web browser. It helps you to determine if the issue is specific to your device or the browser. So by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the invalid parameter error on Instagram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.